Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best way to buy Bitcoins on Cash App. Now, the best way to do this is to start with a clear plan and disciplined execution. You want to begin by ensuring that your account is fully verified for Bitcoin access, as this unlocks buying and withdrawal features. Now, decide on an amount that you're comfortable investing without relying on short-term price movements. Instead of reacting emotionally to market swings, use consistent purchase timing to reduce the impact of volatility. Review the quoted price and fees carefully before confirming any purchase, since Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Keep notifications enabled so that you can monitor price changes and transaction confirmations in real time. Also, avoid rushing large purchases without understanding market conditions. A steady, intentional approach is going to help to minimize mistakes and also make Bitcoin buying on Cash App a controlled, informed process rather than, a speculative gamble. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.